Hey there, truck enthusiasts, Tess here. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic of artificial intelligence in trucking applications. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI? That's some futuristic stuff, Tess. What does that have to do with my trucks? Well, let me tell you. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we manage and maintain our fleets. Think about it. With AI-powered predictive maintenance software, you can keep your trucks in tip-top shape, minimizing downtime and costly repairs. And that's not all. AI can also help you optimize your routes, reduce fuel consumption, and improve driver safety. So sit back, relax, and join me on this journey as we explore the benefits of AI in trucking applications. Buckle up and let's get this show on the road. Hey, you want to know a secret? That entire introduction was actually drafted by an AI. It's a new and exciting technology that is impacting every industry, including heavy duty. While these computer-based assistants aren't ready to totally replace humans anytime soon, they can significantly enhance operations, boost efficiency, and most of all, improve safety. Fleet management technology companies have begun developing advanced AI technology in response to an increasing demand for safer and more efficient transportation solutions. This technology is designed to help reduce accident rates by detecting potential hazards on the road and alerting the driver. As a result, fleet managers can make feedback-driven decisions to not only bolster safety, but also reduce maintenance cost and improve fuel efficiency. I connected with Stefan Heck, Chief Executive Officer and founder of Nauto, a provider of AI assist technology, to discuss the lasting impact of AI on fleet operations. The Nauto A.I Co-pilot uses machine learning algorithms to monitor driver behavior and provide real-time feedback to improve driver performance. AI product offerings are gaining popularity in the market and being implemented by fleets of all sizes. When it comes to the Nauto A.I Co-pilot and most other technological counterparts, there are three main benefits. First up is the most obvious reason fleets are employing artificial intelligence into their trucks: improved safety and incident response time. Here's an obvious use case from Stefan.
Yeah, there's three different ways. One is for actual collisions. It allows you to have your collision mitigation team immediately respond. They'll call an ambulance, they'll call a tow truck, they'll send people out.
Shifting our focus towards optimizing fleet efficiency, identifying errors provides a direct avenue for addressing broader patterns evident in the collected data. To gain insight into how your operations compare with those of competitors, benchmarking is a valuable tool.
The second is thematic. The fleet will know at the aggregate level what its biggest risks are. And so it can say, hey, we're going to make, distracted driving a major safety theme and use that in training for everybody, remind everybody. And they know exactly what's their biggest risk. It's, and so you actually get a scorecard that says, here's how you benchmark compared to other fleets. Great, you're better than average, but you still have a, gap on, in this example, distracted driving, right? But it's very specific to the fleet. It will also show you, if it's a large fleet that's nationwide, it will show you which region and which locations are higher risk.
Should some members of your team require additional training that might not apply to the majority, as Nauto's use case 3 highlights, it's essential to approach these corrections on an individual basis rather than adopting a broader approach.
The last part is really individual drivers. I'll go back to the drowsiness example we talked about at the beginning of this call. If only 2% of your drivers are drowsy, you really don't want to do a broad, hey, everybody stop being drowsy campaign. Because 98% of your drivers are going to be like, I'm awake. What are you talking about? But you do want to have a coach or a safety person talk to those drivers that are falling asleep and understand, is there something to be done about it?
So which application would benefit the most from the implementation of this technology? Is it A, long haul, B, last mile, C, vocational, or D, all the above?
Look, anybody who has new driver benefits, because new drivers generally are less safe and they're still learning. Sometimes because they're new to driving, but also sometimes just because they're new to the route or new to the particular vehicle they're in, etc. There are lots of use cases or fleet profiles that are riskier than others. Anytime you're going into urban area, you're going to be 2 to 3 times the risk of driving on highways, if not more. So that's where I would say you're benefiting the most. But the reality is everybody occasionally runs, either makes a mistake themselves or runs into somebody else who makes a mistake. So there's benefit for everybody. I mean, the beauty of the AI co-pilot is you're not doing constant video recording and your supervisor isn't watching. So the system can sit there running alongside as a co-pilot and really only intervene when, that might be once a month, right? For a great driver, they really don't need coaching. They don't need feedback. So the AI is silent most of the time. But if somebody cuts them off or runs a stop sign, they would get that warning. It kind of automatically adjusts. It's really only looking for those dangerous outliers.
No one likes a nagging backseat driver, and this is why the AI is only programmed to interfere or alert the driver in risky situations or for tailored coaching interactions, and according to the company, covers 91% of driving risks today and can reduce driving risks by up to 90%. Those numbers speak for themselves. For even more trucking and equipment content, head over to the Fleet Equipment site at fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.